When choosing a template to start from, there's really two groups of templates that we can think about in terms of making a website for an interior designer. The first type of template is one that is really designed for a portfolio style website. So if I go to like art and design, we see like Avenue, Montauk, Flatiron. I'm pointing out the ones of these. I'm pointing out the ones that kind of work well for interior design. Avenue, Montauk, Flatiron, uh, York, and I would say Henson. Henson can work well as well, and Greenwich. Um, oh, Greenwich I'm not going to include in this category because the ones that I just pointed out to you are ones that have kind of a native gallery style mode. And let me show you what I'm talking about. So if I come into Avenue here, we see all the images laid out, and we click on a thumbnail, and boom, so that has a text block there, and then has all the photos. And then we see again the thumbnails for all the projects. I click on another one, and boom, here we go. So as you can see, the layout has really been done by Squarespace, by the template. This is not really so much custom layout going on here. So using this type of template can feel much easier and can actually be much faster to do. And I'm going to show you, this is a website here that was created using the York template. And as we can see, it's showing me thumbnails. I'm going to click on this thumbnail. And here we have a blurb, image, text block, image. It's kind of doing all this for us in terms of layout. Okay, next, Brooklyn. Okay, we're not doing really a lot of custom layout here. Now I'm going to compare that to another site, which was created based on the same designer. And this site here, if I click on portfolio, what we're looking at here is actually a custom layout made by this designer. And if I click on a project, come in here, look at this. This is all custom. Even that button was placed there manually. Okay, so again, for comparison, this style, where the portfolio is really kind of just laid out according to a rule, versus this style. Now keep in mind that even when you're using a template like this, which kind of automatically creates layout, on other pages, such as services page, this is a custom layout. This is one of the inner pages. Press page, about page, this is custom. Okay, so using a template like York, or where is York? Let me find. This one here? No. This one here. Using a template like York can save on some time and energy regarding creating layout for portfolio pages, but still, like I said, you're gonna, in both cases, it's gonna be the same thing in terms of making layout for the inner pages. Okay, so that's a little bit on the two groups of layouts within the Squarespace collection of layouts. Okay, the type A is what I would call portfolio template, portfolio oriented templates, and group B is non-portfolio oriented templates, but which can still be used to create beautiful portfolios.